Welcome back to FX Sword Art. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Mickey Mouse. For this tutorial you're going to need a permanent marker, a paper, and something to color with. First thing we're going to do is take our permanent marker and draw a big oval at about the middle of the paper. And then we can color this in. Next we're going to move up to the eyes by doing a curve along the top of this, and then two half ovals here and here. And then we're going to draw smaller circles on the inside, like that. You can also color them in. Next, we're going to draw a big smile from here to here. And believe me, it's big. Anyway, so we're going to do two curves at the ends to close it off, like that. And then his mouth is open, so we're going to do another curve like that. And then inside, we're going to do two bumps for the tongue, like that. And then we can color the top part in. And then along this curve, we're going to do another one, like that, for the chin. And then we're going to bring this up, like that, for the cheek on both sides. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but up here and continue top of the head. We're going to bring it up. We're going to do a bump, and another bump, like that. And then from this part here, we're going to continue this up and around to make like the circle-ish head, because his head is circle. And then we're going to move up and do two big ears, iconic Mickey Mouse ears, at the top here. And then, so we're going to color it in, but I'm not going to be using Sharpie because it would just take forever. And I'm actually going to be using one of my markers. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're going to move back to our permanent marker. So we're also going to move down and start doing the body. So from about this part here, this chin section here, we're going to draw a curve and down like that. And then we're going to draw another curve here, and then bring it all the way back like that. I'm going to do another line here, bring it back. And then we're done with like the bottom of the shorts here. And then we're going to do another line coming around like that for the arm. And then we're going to bring it around. And then, like all the other arms I do usually, we're going to bring it back with a curve, a line. And then we're going to do a half oval, not really half, 3/4. Yeah. And then we're going to draw a curve coming around like that. And then another bump overlap in. And then another one here. But it doesn't go all the way to the edge. I'm going to do another line coming around like that. So his hand is like in a fist thing. Then we're going to draw a stem here, and then 3 lines at the top like that. Okay, and then we can bring these all the way back like that. Then we're going to do a curve going around like that to separate the red part from the black part. And then we can also bring this back. And then we're gonna draw another curve from here to here. To just end off the body part like that. And then from this intersecting part where there's a corner here, we're gonna draw another line coming out. And then back in a little bit. And then back. This is another hand, by the way. Then we're gonna curve it around and tuck this part in here. And then do curve to connect them here. And then continue out like that. And then another one here. So these are pretty much doing the same thing, just different angles. Because this is the back of the hand, so it's like this. That. Okay, now that we're done with the hands, we're gonna move back to here and do 2 ovals on the pants. Here and here. Next, we're just gonna continue the legs off screen, off paper, whatever. Because we don't really have room for those. And then we're gonna draw a squiggle line coming out like that. And that's pretty much it with the inking. Now I can start on the coloring. As you can see, I kind of smudged it a bit here, which is a mistake, but it's easily avoided. So just make sure that you don't get too close to the permanent marker. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to leave a like. We also have an upcoming video where I'm going to be making stuff out of clay. So if you want to be notified when that comes out, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Also, you can leave a comment down below what you want me to draw next, and I'll try my best to get to it. Bye.